Welcome to my channel today. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe, like, share this video, okay? And also comment and let me know which topic you want me to treat in the next video. Okay, today we want to see a question relating to angles of elevation and depression. It's a past question, okay? We said we are given this, and it said in the diagram the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is the top of the tower. On top of the tower, CD, that is CD from a point A is 35 degrees, which is this, okay? And from another point B, 200 meters from A. It means that from point A to B, it is what? 200 meters, okay? He said it's 72 degrees. He said calculate the height to 2 decimal places. Now this is the height, H, of the tower. Now they're asking us to calculate the height of this, given this. Now remember, we are not given this part, so we can call here x. Okay? So if here is x, from here to here will be combination of these two, which is x plus 200. That's combination of these two. So how do we solve? Now if you notice here we have triangle. If you notice here we have triangle TBC and triangle DAC. Okay? So we'll take cognizance of the two triangles. So the first thing we'll do is set from triangle DBC, that is DBC. Okay? Remember, we are looking for the height and we are also not given this part. So let's take using tan of angles. Okay, remember our SOHCAHTOA 12. So our tan, which is tan theta, is equal to opposite over what? Adjacent. Okay, so we will take cognizance of this angle, which is tan 72. Okay, is equal to, what is the opposite? The opposite is the side opposite the angle, which is H. So we have H over what? Our adjacent is X. Okay? So we want to get X. Remember this same thing as we want to get H. So we cross multiply. We have H times 1 equal X times 72. So we have H equal X times 72. Now we can call this our equation 1. We can call it equation 1. Now also, considering the other triangle DAC. So I said from triangle DAC. Now also using tan of angles. Now we will take cognizance of this. So we have tan 35 equal opposite. What is the opposite? Still our H over adjacent. What's the adjacent? Now notice the adjacent of this is from here to here. So which is the combination of this part and this part. We are given here, but we are not given here. So it is the addition of these two, which is x plus 200. So our adjacent is x plus what? 200. Remember this same thing as number 1. So if we cross multiply, we have h times 1 equal x plus 200 times tan 35. Okay, so h times 1 is h. Now we can open this bracket. Okay, so if we open this bracket, we have tan 35 times x, we have x tan 35 plus 200 times tan 35, we have 200 tan 35. So we can call this equation 2. So now from this now, if you watch and notice here, our h is the subject of equation 1. Our h, the height, is the subject of equation 2. So what do we do from here? We can equate. We said equating equation 1 and 2 together. Equate them. Why? Because we have the same variable as what the subject, and which is what we are looking for. We cannot solve directly because x is unknown, h is unknown. Okay? So equating this, we can have from here now, we can have our first equation is h equal x tan 72. That's equation 1. Our second equation is h equal x tan 35 plus 200 tan 35. So when we equate them together, we'll have x tan 72 equal x tan 35 plus 200 tan 35. Now from this now, let's collect like term. We have x here, we have x here, which is unknown. We have reduced it to one unknown. So let's collect like term. This x tan 35 will have to come to the other side. We have x tan 72. Now this cross move I've done so. Minus x tan 35 equal 200 tan 35. Now from this now we can factorize. We have x as being common. We take one of it. We have tan 72. Remaining, what remaining here will be tan 35. Okay, now this is equal to 200 tan 35. Now I want to make x a subject. What do we do? So if we divide both sides by tan 72 minus tan 35, we'll have x tan 72 minus tan 35 divided by tan 72 minus tan 35 equal 200 tan 35 over tan 72 minus tan 35. And this cancel this, our x is 9 equal 200 times our tan 35 using our calculator will give us 0.7002 divided by tan 72 minus tan 35 will also give us, using our calculator, as 2.3775. So our x is now equal to 200 times 0.7002. Using calculator will give us 58.902. Okay, that is our x. Now come back to this point where our h is a subject here, which is the height. Now say to get our height now, say therefore our h, which is x tan 72, will now be equal to our x is now 58.902 times our tan 72. Using our calculator, we have tan 72 is 3.0777, which is equal to, so we have 3.0777 times 58.902. We have 181.2826854. Remember they said correct to what? To decimal place. So we have 181.28. That is the height of that. Okay? So thank you very much. If you're just joining us, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you very much.